Welcome to our channel. Today we will introduce you to one of the industry's leading power tool suppliers, Tiancon. Tiancon has been providing high-quality power tools, garden tools, and related accessories to industrial and household users more than 10 years. At Tiancon, we proudly offer a wide range of products that have passed multiple international certifications, including UL, GS, and CE at EMC. One of the key features that sets Tiancon apart from other suppliers is our use of brushless motors in many of our tools. The removal of charcoal in brushless motors increases the efficiency and longevity of motors that make them the first choice among professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Another significant benefit of brushless motors is reduced noise. This means you can use our tools for extended periods of time without discomfort due to excessive noise, making them ideal for both indoor and outdoor use. Whether you're a professional in need of reliable, powerful tools for your trade, or a homeowner looking for efficient, durable tools for your DIY projects, Tiancon has what you need. Thank you for exploring the world of Tiancon power tools and garden tools with us today. Happy tooling!
FindSupply, a completely non-profit foreign trade service platform.